फैंस, आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे लेजेंडरी क्रिएटर के बारे में जिन्होंने एक पूरी जनरेशन को कामेयामेया करना सिखाया। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अकीरा। Mastermind behind Dragon Ball. Let's dive into his legacy and how he made Dragon Ball not just a story but a cultural phenomenon. Toriyama started out as a manga artist with Dr. Slump. Quirky comedy series about a wacky inventor and a robot girl named Ariel. Sounds fun, right? Dr. Slump was a hit, but little did the world know, Toriyama had something much bigger cooking. A world where martial arts, adventure and the quest for Dragon Balls would change the game forever. In 1984, Dragon Ball was born. Inspired by Chinese legend Journey to the West, Toriyama introduced us to Goku, an innocent tail-wagging martial artist with a heart of gold and a hunger that could rival any Saiyan. What started as a light-hearted show, as a light-hearted treasure hunt, turned into an epic saga of battles, friendships, and universal showdowns.
This is our power, Jiren. To hell with your friendship. To hell with your trust. Putting faith in such things would mean denying all that I've witnessed in my life up until...
He gave us moments that gave us chills. Goku's first Super Saiyan transformation. Remember that? These weren't just fights, they were emotional roller coasters with stakes that felt larger than the life. And let's not forget the humor. Master Roshi's antics and Goku's innocence kept things light even the most intense moments. But why does a Dragon Ball still resonate? It's because Toriyama created characters who grow with us. Goku's relentless determination and evolution and the sheer thrill of pushing beyond the limits, these are themes that inspire fans worldwide. Toriyama isn't just a great storyteller, he's phenomenal designer too. His clean, dynamic art style made Dragon Ball characters instantly iconic. From Goku's spiky hair to Frieza's terrifying transformation, his designs are unforgettable. And don't even get me started on how every new villain feels fresh and unique. Even decades later, Dragon Ball continues to thrive with Dragon Ball Super, blockbuster movie like Broly, and games like Dragon Ball Fighter Z. Akira Toriyama's influence remains stronger than ever, providing that great stories and characters never go out of the style. Akira Toriyama's didn't just create a story, he gave us a universe where the impossible feels achievable, where every fight is lesson and where being yourself, flaws and all. It is the great strength of yourself. So the next time you shout Kamehameha, remember the legend who made it all possible. Alright, see you next time, as Goku would say, till we meet again.